Hi everyone, my name is Duncan, and today we're going to explore the Oculus Quest Virtual Reality Kit. We will look at what's included in the kit and how to set up the device. The kit is available for member public libraries to borrow for up to 3 weeks to support in-library programming. Borrowing the kit can also allow members to become familiar with the device before purchasing one of your own. All games and apps are downloaded onto the headset, which allows for fast and easy play. The headset can be used with one player at a time and has both sitting and standing player modes. Let's take a look at what's inside the kit. So inside, you will find a copy of the PLS Virtual Reality Kit lending policy and a list and descriptions of all games uploaded onto the device. We have the Oculus Quest box, and there is a charging cord for the headset, left and right touch controllers, and the Oculus Quest headset. We have a smaller box inside, which has a glasses spacer. And so this can be used for a more comfortable fit for users who wear glasses. There's also a rechargeable battery charger and 4 AA batteries. Those are for the controllers. We have disposable masks to wear with the headset and microfiber cloths. There's also a variety of cleaning supplies. So we have some soap, dishcloths, and unscented wipes. The Oculus Quest is set up for immediate use. The device should automatically connect to your library Wi-Fi, so all you have to do is put on the headset to get started. To turn on the device, press the power button on the right side of the headset. Next, from a seated or stationary position, place the device over your eyes and grab the controllers. You can adjust the size with the Velcro straps on the sides and top of the headset. The controllers are held with the Oculus O logo facing the user. The controllers will create a line or cursor on the device in which the user can then maneuver. Once on, it may ask you to create a guardian boundary. This is a virtual boundary line that users can draw to designate a safe area free from obstruction. You can choose a stationary boundary or room scale. Stationary is meant for stationary use. So for example, games that have a sitting player mode. Room scale allows users to use the controller to draw out an area while wearing the device. The next time you turn on the device in the same location, the boundary area will be remembered. You can switch between the two, stationary or room scale, under the quick settings space. This is what drawing out the guardian boundary might look like. Now, let's take a look at what it looks like inside the headset. The first thing you will see is the menu. This is where you will choose a game or change the guardian boundary settings. To change your guardian boundary, click the quick settings space on the left side of the navigation bar. The boundary setting can be changed under the word Guardian. To play a game, select the App tab on the far right and a list of available games and apps will appear. You can narrow down the results to installed games to see exactly what is available. You can navigate the list with your controller and select the game you wish to play. Most games will include step-by-step instructions on how to play, so don't feel intimidated to try all the different games. Now you're ready to play. When you're done playing, hold the power button on the side of the device until the power off menu appears. Select power off and disinfect as needed. The Oculus can be a great way to attract patrons to the library. I would recommend library staff to always supervise use of the device to prevent injuries and manage time limits. Please do not let staff or patrons log out of the PLS consulting account on the device. Doing this will remove access to the games, and we will have to log back in at headquarters. Please pack up the kit with care. How the kit arrives should be how it is packed up. To request the kit, please email Barb to reserve a spot on the list. If you have a game request or any questions about the Oculus Quest, you can email me at dlatowski@peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca. Thanks, everyone.